In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add accounts one at a time or import them in bulk, so your books are organized from day one. First, head to the left panel and click on Accounting. This takes you to the financial backbone of your company file. Next, go to the Chart of Accounts tab. Think of this page as the master list of categories your transactions will fall into: assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and more. To add something new, look to the top right and click Add Account. A setup window opens where you'll enter the key details. Start with the account name. Use clear, consistent naming so it's easy to recognize on reports like operating checking or office supplies. Then select the account type. This is the high-level category, such as bank, credit card, accounts receivable, income, or expense, and it determines how the account appears on your financial statements. After that, choose the detail type. This narrows the category, so QuickBooks knows exactly what kind of account it is, which helps with reporting accuracy. You'll also see an opening balance field. Use this when you're bringing in an existing balance from another system or from a prior period. Make sure the date and amount reflect when you want your starting point to be accurate. If you're starting from scratch with no prior activity, you can leave the opening balance blank. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. You've created your first account. You can repeat this process to manually add each category you need. A simple approach is to start with your bank accounts and credit cards, then set up your main income streams and routine expenses. Keep names simple and avoid duplicates to make categorization painless later. If you'd rather move faster, you can import accounts in bulk. Click the small caret icon next to the New Account button, then click Import. From here, you can upload an Excel or CSV file, or select a Google Sheet if you've connected it. For best results, prepare your file with columns like Name, Account Type, Detail Type, and Opening Balance, and make sure the wording for types matches QuickBooks options. A quick pass to check spelling and consistency will save you time after import. That's all there is to it. Whether you add accounts one by one or import them in bulk, you're setting up a clear framework that keeps your books clean, your reports accurate, and your day-to-day bookkeeping much easier.